Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in, so open Google Maps and find your home pin. Start by tapping Suggest an Edit or Report a Problem. Explain why. Google prioritizes verified accounts and recent activity, so this reduces review time. Once you tap Edit, select the field you need to change: address, marker placement, or place name. Make your first changes now. Drag the pin if it's off, correct the street number, or change the label to home. This sets the review process in motion immediately. Now focus on precision. Update the full address, unit numbers, and correct spelling because matching public records speeds approval. Add photos that clearly show the house number or entrance. Once uploaded, images act as proof and help reviewers verify changes. If available, include supporting notes explaining the change, new numbering, recent construction, or incorrect former listing. Also choose the right category and entrance location, so navigation and delivery service. Submit your edits and then check your contributions or edit history to monitor status. You'll see pending, approved, or rejected. If it's pending too long, escalate by asking a local guide to confirm or use business verification steps if applicable. These speed things up because they carry more trust. If edits are rejected, reopen the entry, improve photos, add a short explanation, or upload a screenshot of an authoritative source like a utility bill. Doing that often resolves rejection and gets your house updated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.